Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. If you're hopping on, if you're watching this, that means it's a replay. If you're hopping in live, say hi. I'm just picking a color for today. So I'm going to wait until few of you hop on. Meanwhile, I'll just cleanse my lips and I will see and pick few colors of for this today. So actually, this is a look I got inspiration from Insta. Obviously, there is a bridal. I would say she's more of a makeup artist, but she does many bridal ones in India. So I love her videos. So this is the inspiration I picked from hers. Actually, the color I had it in mind was supposed to be copper rose shimmer with garnet and onyx, but I don't know how I grabbed the warm gold shimmer. But I thought, okay, anyway, it's like a yellow gold, so I went with that. So that's the color I'm wearing. So I went with the warm gold shimmer, garnet to deepen the corners, and Americano in the crease. That's the color I'm wearing for today. And the inspiration picture I picked had like red lips. As I said, it's a bridal look, obviously. So that's why I wore a sari from my wedding too. This is a sari that I wore for my unjal ceremony. So it is actually a gift from my uncle. So I thought, why not wear that one to do with that. When it comes to red lips, there are like tons of options with SeneGence. If you're hopping on, say hi and let me know what are the weekend plans for the long weekend. For us, we've been painting the house ourselves for such a long time, I would say. Like, I mean, our house is like 3 floors, so it took a long time for us to finish. Like, we were able to finish just the first floor in around last December, I would say. Then obviously school started and then COVID started everything, so we were keep pushing the dates for doing the next floor. And finally, I think for July long weekend we finished the second floor, but still we had a few of the rooms left, so that's what we are going to do. So let me know what your plans are. And these are some of the reds that we have. I'm going to share each one of them. So we do have rhubarb, which is like a more orangish red, which is a matte. Then we do have red lantern, which is a new shade, and we do have something called hurricane red. This is one of our college colors. I think there are 2 college colors. One is crimson and the other one is hurricane red. So that's again a matte red. And we have candy cane, which is one of the metallic shade we have. It has like very slight metallic tint to it. So these are some of them, and I have another few to share. Let me show them too. So these are, here we have red ruby. This is another favorite of mine. We have fly girl from our permanent line. This is my first red. If you never tried any red, please do try with Lipsons, because I know when it comes to reds, we feel like if it smudges, it's so obvious, and it will be what is it, like hard to carry. But once you get comfortable with that, you will never go back. Anytime when you need like a very bold powerful statement, then obviously red is the way to go. So then we have blue red, which is like a fire engine red. And we do have big apple from the newest collection. This is again another metallic color we have. So already I think I showed 8 reds and I still have 2 more. So we do have habanero, which is more of an orangish red, and again we have red rose. That's again another matte shade. This is one of the smallest, not the smallest. Sometime SeneGence tries different sizes. So this is like our Shadow Sense size. Let me show you. So you can see it's exactly our shadow sun size, so it's a little smaller than the original size. This is 0.25 ounce, whereas this is 0.20 ounce. So I think very few colors came in that size. I think we had few glosses in that size, but when it comes to Lipson's colors, I think we had only 2 shades. So I wanted to go with some matte color for a matte lip for today. So my choices would be either Red Lantern, I would say I can go with even Blue Red or Red Ruby, and what else? Yeah, these would be my, even Fly Girl. Even Fly Girl should work. So no, not the Fly Girl, it's Candy Cane. So these are some of my choices, I would say, because I feel Hurricane Red and Rhubarb may be too bold for this look, which I want to go with like a traditional one. So even Blue Red, I will take it out because that's too flashy, as you know. I don't want it to be that way. So these are the choices. If you have any suggestion, you can tell me. So it's between Red Lantern, Red Ruby or Candy Cane. I'm good with anything. If you are hopping on, you can pick 2. And I wanted to go with the matte gloss for this look. So if you want to pick the choice, I will do that color, or we can even layer it if you want to. What else? Yeah, Red Lantern will go really well actually, because it's not too bold. At the same time, it's not what is it, like too orangish. The same way Red Ruby will go well too. So anyone should work with this look. So that's the one I'm going to do. And let's go with maybe 1 layer of Red Lantern and maybe switch between a layer of Red Ruby or something on how it is. So as I said, what's the plan for the weekend? I know kids are all in school, so I know we all need a break for that too. For us, even the school work is okay, but they were asking to do like what is it, like 30 minutes of PE after school, which was the toughest, I would say. So I'm going with 1 layer of Red Lantern. That's my first layer. See, when you do a shade like this, that actually finishes the look even more. Yeah. See, if you're new to red, my only suggestion is always just even go with 1 layer, and you can even fill this with matte gloss. As you can see, it goes beautifully with this outfit. You don't even need to do up to 3 layers. If you are not worried about, because I know whatever shades you were wearing previously, you are used to smudging, or you're used to the color going in after lunch or anything, then this is the transition period. So even just do 1 layer and seal it with glossy, and just what is it, like make yourself accustomed to the new shade. That too, if you are trying out a red, then obviously it's more of a mindset, I would say. Like for example, if you're having a new haircut, or if you're having some what is it, like glasses or something, new glasses or something, then your mind is always used to seeing your old self, so it takes time for it to adjust. I think I have experienced that with my weight loss most of the time. When everyone else used to say that you have reduced or you have toned down, but your mind will keep on showing you the old self. Even if you try a dress or even doing something, it always have that old self in mind, and it takes time for you to understand and adjust to it. So I'm going to go ahead with the second layer of red lantern too. So always make sure you wipe your wand clean. That makes the color to go really thin, and also it makes the color to stay longer. And make sure you do the waterline. That gives the finish to look really nice. So and also take time to do it. I think I even have a video, maybe I will do it again on a live one day, where you can just do one layer, and meanwhile you can get ready with the CCTM or anything. That way it is not like you are going to wait until the color dries out or something. That way it doesn't feel you are doing it for long. And if you are avoiding the touch-ups, then why not take the time to just do the color and enjoy it throughout the day. And as I mentioned, with the glossy gloss or any gloss, it's going to be really moisturizing. So it's going to make your lips hydrated and stay that way all day, and it's not going to budge at all. And if you remember during the wedding time and all, if you need to change your dress, or even how many times we might have done the touch-up. I wish I had Lipsons or any of these things during my wedding, because I hardly knew anything about makeup, or I hardly was conscious about doing anything that time. So I feel even Lipsons would have made the entire wedding so easy, because it will be easy when you change your dress. We even for this, because Unjal ceremony happens just before the actual wedding, so we need to be in this for so long, and then we need to change it to our 9 yards. So after taking out all the garlands and the the necklace or bangles, everything, and you need to drape another one. So, and then meanwhile you will be touching up your makeup too. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the last layer with red lantern. So Lipsons has a longer shelf wear too. So it is unopened for 7 years, and even if it is open, the validity is for 3 years. So you have such a long time for it to expire. And at the same time, even if you do a single color every single day, one bottle will last you 6 months. So that's how much product is in there for you to use. So this is my third and final layer. I know everyone is busy with kids' classes and Zooms and making sure they are able to attend well. Yeah. So this is 3 layers of red lantern. You can see it's a shade that can suit any skin tone, and it will go like really well. Like, I mean, you won't have any patches, or you won't have any it is not a color that is hard to apply. Sometimes a color like mulled wine or plums, sometimes that will be, if you are a beginner, then you will have a little tougher time for you to apply, because sometimes the consistency differs from one Lipsons to other one, because each color is made individually based on the pigments. So these are like dream, like, I mean, even if the color says sheer, then you can even go up to 4 layers. But since this shade is really nice, I am good with 3 layers. And And for my jewelry today, it is Sabita's Akriti collection. I never had many of the, what is it, like necklaces, I would say. Like I'm always worried about it will be too short on me and I will not be able to carry it. So recently only I started getting these type of small ones, and I really love how this little small jimukka works. And I even had bangles to match with it. I don't remember where I got this one, but this is from Shakti's hi-fi one. But this is the jewelry I wore for today. Thank you, Sabita. I really love this pearl one. As I mentioned, I had many long ones, but not many short ones I had. So for today's look, I wanted to go with just the plain matte gloss. So if you are someone who doesn't like a glossy feel, there are two ways to achieve that. You can do the glossy, and after a minute or so you can just wipe it with your fingers, and again it's going to absorb, it gets absorbed with your lips, so it's not going to stay glossy all day. So the glosses are mainly to seal the shades. As I mentioned, I am used to talking in a fashion where my lips doesn't touch, so that's why mine is not looking sticky at all. But if you are doing it at home, you may feel it sticky. And you don't want to smudge your lips in between, like the usual lips we do touch it and make it spread evenly, but with lip sense, if you do it, it's going to ruin the lip sense because it's going to stick to each other and it's going to pull each one away. So don't do that anytime until you seal the color. But once you seal the shade, you can do anything. And I'm going ahead with the plain matte gloss. As you know, now we have 5 of the colored matte gloss too. So if it is any other shade, I would have done, because those are brown matte shades or pink matte shades. So if I'm wearing a pink or purple tone, then I would have done those pigmented matte glosses too. But since it's a red, I'm going ahead with the simple white clear matte gloss. It's equivalent to glossy. So it not only seals the color and also protects the color whole day. And if you have bought lip sense from me, I always made sure to add a sample of this, so that way you can try whether you like a glossy feel or a matte feel. I always suggest to have glossy in hand still, because glossy can be so hydrating. Anytime matte glosses cannot be, because the purpose itself is to make it look dry. So it's not going to dry out, but you can get the difference between both. So so now it's properly sealed. So it's Red Lantern with matte gloss. That's the shade I want to wear for today. And you can see it's completely sealed and it's not going to budge at all. So how cool it will be if we have it for our wedding or anything. So if you are celebrating any functions here, like wearing it and forgetting about whole day, not getting smudged, is going to really make our lives more easier, I would say. So that way you can pick any shade of your choice. I think I carry close to... Hi Prashanti, good morning. Thank you so much, Prashanti. This is the sari from my wedding. So I created a bridal look which I had it as an inspiration. I had switched my eye color alone, but I had an inspiration to follow through. But I missed you for choosing my color. I went with Red Lantern for today because I wanted a red to resemble the look I had it on my wedding. So that's the color I went with. And whenever you wear red, your teeth are going to look whiter too. So that's another plus point of wearing red. And as I mentioned, I have close to 100 shades in stock to choose from. So you can never go wrong with these shades. Whether you want to have a brighter one, whether you want to have a really lighter one, or even just a gloss that can just can go with your everyday look, anything, you are going to love these products. So if you have never tried Lipson's or any of the Senegen's products, please do try. And I think I announced the makeup one, and I already have few packages being sent out. So if you want to try the makeup sample pack, do message me. And my skincare packs are always ready. They will be for 5 days worth of products. Hi Akshara, good morning. Good to see you in the morning. How are you? And I think you are another red lip lover. So it reminds me of you when you are trying your first shade. So for today's look, I went with that. But as I mentioned, you have like I think 10 different reds from Lipson's now. So it's a shade for everybody, so you can pick any reds based on your choice, whether it's like a maroon. We still do have something like a crimson. Those will be like a good morning Akshara. So those will be like for people who like more of a maroonish red, or we do have something, some are like pinkish reds, like a roseberry will be like a pinkish red. Let me show. So we do have something like neutral or crimson, which will be, oh that's not my, we'll be having neutral and all, which is yeah, crimson is again like a maroonish red. So it is like whether you want to be too bold or you want thanks Akshara. Either way it is fine. Like I mean, it doesn't, I know any, but not everyone is going to have like a what to say, like fire engine red. Not everybody's look is that way. So a neutral or crimson and all will have like more of a burgundy-ish look. So you can pick if that is your comfort zone, and maybe slowly move to a brighter one. And as I mentioned, even by layering with the icicle, which is like a clear Lipson's, you can still wear red, but you can tone it down. Or a gloss like this will obviously tone this shade really down. So it's always how you want to play around with it, and that way you have more freedom to work with these shades. So that's all for today. And if you want to pick anything from the sample pack, as I mentioned, it can always be customized. How I do is I always pick the basic skincare set to go with it. Hi Janani, good morning. You are a West Coast person and you are up already. The school starts making everybody get up early, I think. Thank you Janani, it's from Akriti's one. I recently got, you know right, I am always like a big one. I mean, I always wear at least this much, but I'm just venturing out to see how even the necklace kind of things work for me. So that's the one. As I mentioned, for example, if you are curating your skincare one, I always make sure, yeah, I know, don't worry, at least we have 3 days of off tomorrow. Hopefully we all can sleep a little late without alarms. And thanks Prashanti. Yeah, it's a beautiful one. Like I mean, as you know, I think with the pictures and everything, she makes it easy to buy, and also she's another sweet person to work with. So she makes sure if you need a video or anything, she provides with that. So, and usually I'm a big earring lover, but I really liked the one that came with it. I don't want it to overpower, because I know that was Red Lantern, Janani. I wore Red Lantern. Thank you da. Because I don't have the blouse that came with it. That was like the same color blouse. So I wore like a different one. So I wanted to have a contrast and do the look which I had it in mind. So where is it? It is Red Lantern with matte glass. Oh, you have a package coming in, Prashanti. Do post us what you got. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for hopping in. Hope you like the look I created. I will be posting the details anyway. So have a wonderful Friday. Enjoy the long weekend. See you all soon. Thank you, Tanya.